Good morning, doctor. Today, we would like to do a presentation for our database project. It is a case study of Mutiara Hospital Management System. So, before the presentation starts, I would like to introduce my group members. I am Tanya Ling, metric number B0621100326. Second member is Cheryl Kojamin, metric number B0621100272, and the third member To Wen Hui, metric number B0621100005. We're going to present the part of introduction. So, what exactly is a database? In its most general sense, a database is an organized collection of data. But it's go beyond that. A database is an electronic system that allows easy access, manipulation, and updating of data. It serves as an invaluable tool for organization to electronically store, manage, and retrieve information. But databases offer more than efficient data storage. When utilized properly, they become powerful business tools. Through reporting and business intelligence capabilities, databases enable organizations to generate reports, analyze data, and extract valuable insight. This empower business to make informed decisions and adapt to market conditions. In conclusion, databases are essential drivers of business efficiency and intelligence. Their ability to organize, process, and manage data is crucial for modern organizations. By leveraging database logic and efficiency, businesses can unlock powerful tools for reporting and business intelligence. In the upcoming presentation, we will using Mutiara Hospital as our case study to more knowing the function of database. So I will pass to my next person to continue the presentation. Thank you.
My name is To Wen Hui, and now I will present the entity relationship diagram of Mutiara Hospital. For the ERD diagram that shows the department, all doctors, pet entry, and the room details in Mutiara Hospital. Based on the relationship that shown in the ERD diagram each department in the hospital should have a unique department names. Each doctor working in the hospital should have a unique identity numbers. And the identity number of a doctor should be associated with a valid department in the department's table. And the patient number generates for each patient should start with the prefix BT and should be unique. The sex of a patient should be either M for male or F for females. The ERD diagram also shows the name of the doctor referred to by a patient and the department referred to by a patient should be exist in the database, and the room number exists to each room in the hospital should be unique, and the room type should be either G for general or P for private. For the status of a number should be either Y for occupied or N for non-occupied. If a room is occupied, it should be associated with a valid patient numbers and patient name. The last one that shown in the ERD diagram is the charge per day for a room should be recorded in the room details table.
Hi, my name is Cheryl. Now I am going to present my part. SQL statement on order by and output table. Select from patient entry order by checkup date descending. This SQL statement will retrieve all records from the patient entry table and order them based on the checkup date column in descending order. Secondly, SQL statement on join table and list 3 table and output. Select patient entry, patient name, department name, room details, room number from patient entry, join department on patient entry, department name equal to department name, join room details on patient entry, patient number equal to room detail, patient number. This SQL statement combines the patient entry department and room detail table based on the specific condition and retrieve the patient name, department name, and room number column from the joint table. Thirdly, SQL statement on aggregate function. Select count as total patient, average patient S as average H, max patient X as max X from patient entry. By executing this SQL statement, you will get a single row result with 3 columns which are total patient, average H, and max X. The total patient column will show the count of patients, the average S column will display the average S, and the max S will indicate the maximum S among all patients in the patient entry table. Fourthly, SQL statement on group by and having. Select patient status count as total patient from patient entry group by patient status having count greater than 2. By executing this SQL statement, you will get a result set with multiple rows. Each row will contain 2 columns, which are patient status and total patient. The patient status column will show the different patient status, and the total patient column will display the count of patient each status. Only those groups with a count greater than 2 will be included in the result. Lastly, SQL statement on subquery. Select from patient entry where patient number in select patient number from room detail where room types equal to general. By executing this SQL statement, you will get a result set with the row from the patient entry table that satisfy the condition. This row will contain all columns present in the patient entry table. The condition ensures that only row with patient number value that exists in the room details table and have a room types of general will be included. That's all from me. Thank you.
In conclusion, having a database system will bring many advantages to Mutiara Hospital. The benefits bringing from database system included data integrity, means that the database is consistent and accurate. Second, data security. Only authorized user can access the database, and the identity must be authenticated with a username and password. Under no circumstance should unauthorized user be allowed to access the database, as this violates integrity constraint. Next, better data integration. With the help of a database management system, we have access to a well-managed and synchronized form of data, making it easy to process. Also, minimize data inconsistency. Database will ensure the consistency of the data and no data redundancy. Moreover, simplicity. It allows us to better understanding data through clear, simple logical view. Last but not least, which is restoration and backup. The system handles recovery and backup automatically. That's all for me. Thank you.